Hello everyone, in today's Snapchat video tutorial I want to show you how to make the pen bigger on Snapchat. So without spending more time, let's check out how we can make the pen bigger on Snapchat. First of all, open the Snapchat app that you have installed. Now first you just need to simply take a snap. So here guys, on the top right side of the screen you will find the pen icon. So now tap on the pen and now you can simply select a specific color. So when you draw the finger to your screen, so you will see guys there is a standard size. So if you want to make the pen bigger, so how we can do this? So for that you just need to use the two fingers and zoom in or out the screen. So you will find guys your pen size will be increased. Now you can see I can easily write the bigger with the help of pen. So if you want to increase or decrease the size of pen, so simply you just need to use the two fingers and zoom in or out the screen. Now you can see I can easily make the bigger and thicker pen with the help of two fingers. So this is a pretty simple and trickful way to make the pen bigger on Snapchat. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to get the more videos regarding Snapchat, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.